so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Ring, 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 ring! Ring, ring! Hey! Look! We're on a farm! Look at all the animals! Whoa! Ooh, look at this one! This is a cow! And a horse! Ooh! And a pig! Oink, 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 oink! Ring, ring, ring! Okay, now that we're on a farm, let's see what other things we can find on the farm. Well, we saw animals already. Let's go! Ring, ring, ring! Ring, ring, ring! Whoa, bye-bye! We lost the wagon. Ring, ring, ring! Ring, 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 ring! Whoa! Whoa! Look! We found a potato! We must be on a potato farm today. Potato! Ooh, and what are all these? A yellow hat. Okay, ooh, there we go. And, ooh, some eyeballs. Gotta be able to see. Ooh, those are upside down. Okay. And, ooh, we have a red tongue. Oh, nope, that's the nose actually. But we do have a red tongue. Put that right there. Ooh, it's starting to look like a potato head. And green feet or shoes. And pink ears. Ooh, are we missing something? Yeah. Ooh, look, down here. 2 white arms. Put one right there. And one right there. Whoa! Hello! Okay, you stay here, Mr. Potato Head. Let's go over here. Whoa! 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 Another potato head! Woo! Okay. Ooh, we got a blue hat this time. Oh, I'm Optimus Prime. No. Ooh, an arm with orange and blue. Goes on this side. Perfect. And another one. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. 2 eyes. 1, 2. Put them right there. Ooh, look at that orange nose. Put it right there. And, ooh, look at this smile. Okay, let's put that right here. And last but not least, some green shoes. Or blue shoes. I said they were green, but these are blue. Okay, see what else we can find. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, here's another one. Look, another potato head. Okay, we have some gray feet and a blue hat. Ooh, a police officer's hat, see? Wow. And whoa, a really big beard. Okay. And an orange nose again. Okay. There we go. Oh, what a cute nose. And, ooh, a couple arms. Let's put those up like this. Whoa! It fell out. Did you see that? Okay, let's put it right there. Hello. Okay. And, ooh, we forgot the ears. Oh, the ears are falling out. Let's see. Okay. And then the eyes. Okay. It keeps falling out. There we go. All right, now we're all finished. Hello. Hi. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Look at what it is. Whoa, it's a tractor and a backhoe! Whoa! Whoa! Look! It's a giant excavator! Whoa! It's so big! Come on! Scoop up the dirt! And another potato head! Okay, here it is. Now, a blue construction hat for the excavator. Put that on top. And a nose. And an ear. And another ear. See? Ooh. And an arm. Ah! And another white arm. Okay. Green shoes. Ooh. Put that right there. And two more things. We have a smile. A red smile. Eee. Put that right there. And last but not least, a couple eyes. Okay, there we go. Oh. Okay, let's keep on moving. Whoa, whoa, yes! Oh. Look at all of these potato heads. I need to sit down for this one. Okay. Ooh, look at this. This one even has eyes on it already. Okay. Ooh. Huh. Nice little princess hat. Hello. Let's find some more princess stuff. And, ooh. Nice high heel shoes. Perfect. Put it right there. And we already have the eyes, so let's find a nose. Where's a nose? Here's a nose, a pink nose. Okay, put it right there. And we need a beautiful smile. Where is a beautiful smile? Let's see here. Huh. Ooh, here's a beautiful smile. Ooh. Okay. There she is. Nice and pretty. And, ooh, a really big ear. Oh, that's too big, actually. A normal size ear. There we go. And another normal size ear. We're almost done. We just need cute arms. Ooh, here's one. This is just a hand. That will look funny. Let's put it right there. See? Short little hand. Here's another one. High five. Boop. Okay, and there we go. There is our last potato head. Whoa, she's so pretty. Well, this was so much fun finding potato heads on the farm. If you want to watch more of my videos, you know what to do. Just ask a grown-up really nicely to search for my name. Do you know my name? Yeah, it's Blippi. Let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you again.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want